Hey guys, October 5th, 2021, we are looking at OCGN 5-minute bar graph, 6 to 8 period charts. And man, you would think this looks messy, but some people would see this as an opportunity to make money, right? It's a lot of dips. You have a dip here. Let me change my tool just to get an idea. If you're playing short to mid to long term investments, you can look for small dips here, buy somewhere there. Maybe sell somewhere up here, wait for it to drop, buy somewhere down here, maybe wait the next day. You would have been in the same price area, right? Sometimes you have to hold these stocks if you're doing long term, which is always, I feel like more less risky than short term. You gotta hold it for a couple days. Once you woke up this morning, you could have been like, hallelujah, I'm buying some new shoes and sell somewhere up here. So this stock is looking like a nice long-term type of play. Never really noticed the stock before, OCGN. Let's see what type of news drove it today. It says WHO, the World Health Organization or whatever it stands for, I'm sorry, to finalize nods to this company for COVID next week. I don't know what that is. This company enters supply deal for COVID-19 vaccine candidates. 12 healthcare stocks moving today. Shares are trading higher after company 8K showed it entered into a development and commercial supply agreement. So I guess it's just good news that this company is releasing, but don't know what caused this drop. I'm not seeing anything bad. Let's zoom in on the 1 day chart. I'm not seeing what caused this, but yikes, kazooks. Hopefully you guys stayed far away from this typhoon that came and hit the shore of this company. As far as drawing a nice trend line, I felt like I would have drawn one here to where this is like I don't know, these sections here are like tricky because it gives you an indication that okay, it's no longer trending down, but this portion here, right, these 5-minute candles, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes is like okay, it's no longer trending down, just to wake up, take the crust out of your eyes, and guess what, boom, it's trending down again, and it's trending down even worse than before. So sometimes these downward trends, when it's making this reversal, meaning time to make profit, it'll trick you out. But as you can see, the second time it came down, it like literally stopped going down and came back up and started playing within a range. I would have made my range 678 to as high as maybe 968. Hopefully buy it low, sell high. Didn't give you another opportunity to buy low after 125. Don't like this about the stock. I wish it gave us several opportunities like that nice up and down roller coaster. But hey, we get what we take. I do want to look at one more stock before we end the video, which is going to be a stock we looked at yesterday, which is Pltr. And we still have our trend lines from yesterday, which is good. Maybe we can learn from this. So if I continued this trend line, if I was looking at this stock today, I would have continued my trend line and try to make it as straight as possible as to not be reaching, as they say. And I would have had a good indication beginning of the day. Look at this, guys, that the stock was no longer trending down, right? So I could have bought here at 223.43 and rode it up to, I don't know if there was an indication on when to sell, but sometimes I'm telling you this now, you just gotta have to not be greedy and just sell, because no one can predict the top. Don't try to be perfect, just take your money and leave. So hopefully you would have sold somewhere up here. It stayed above VWAP up until 1010, kind of got below, and then it started coming back within our cone. So that's a bad sign that it was going to continue to trend low. And then I don't know, it was playing this mind game with our top of our cone trend line to where now it's above it. So could this be maybe heading up tomorrow, or could this just be a pre-market fake to where we all jump in first thing tomorrow when the bell rings and then it drops? So I don't know, guys. Oh, but look at this. This is a good resistance line that we created yesterday. You can see that once it got to, once it got to 25.42, look at this area of resistance. They had trouble getting above this hurdle. right here from here to here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes of this resistance proved to be true. So guys, if it does open up within this range tomorrow, pay attention to these resistance and support lines that we drew from the other day based on historical information. And one more thing I want to look at before we end the video is news to see what is driving this thing. If there's anything new that we need to pay attention to. Why Palantir shares are soaring higher Tuesday after hours. Nope, don't want to see that. Palantir stocks rally on 823 million Army contracts. So they made a contract with the Army, which is good, right? Money coming in. Social buzz. Palantir set to run on up the meme boards on the new contract. So I guess social media. I don't know. Wall Street Bets is looking at this, but all I see now is good news, guys. So this could be going up tomorrow doing a second run. Hopefully you guys are, you know, choosing your positions wisely and making some money. But that is my review for PLTR. And like always, I appreciate you guys. Leave me a thumbs up. It motivates me. Even if, you want to leave a comment, I appreciate that too. But yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.